So today we will discuss about some provisions of the Constitution, particularly Article 368, Article 13, Clause 2, Article 245 to 248. These are the main provisions of the Constitution. So as Madam said that I am a retired Principal District and Session Judge, and after retirement I have set up a law firm that is called Jorad. आवाज आ रही है मैडम? हाँ, okay. Jorad. Generally people say justice is my right. कभी मूवी में देखा होगा कि लोग कहते हैं न्याय तो मेरा अधिकार है, but you will never heard that the justice is my duty. If justice is my right, then it's whose duty? तो किसी ना किसी से ड्यूटी होगी जो जस्टिस रेंडर करे. मेरे हिसाब से जस्टिस हमारा राइट भी है और हमारी ड्यूटी भी है. सो दी जोराड इज द एब्रीविएशन ऑफ जस्टिस आवर राइट एंड ड्यूटीज. सो दिस लॉ फर्म कंसिस्ट ऑफ द रिटायर्ड जजेस एंड यंग लॉयर्स. शी इज माई नीश, शी इज परस्यूइंग द LLM. तो पर्पज ऑफ विजिटिंग द स्कूल इज not just to teach you the constitution of law. First purpose is that to tell you about the possibility which you can avail by adopting legal field as your career. Generally students are interested in the JEE exams and NEET medical exams. So may I know आप में से कितने लोग लॉ करना चाह रहे हैं? कोई प्लान किया है? 2, ओनली 2. बाकी लोगों का प्लानिंग नहीं है लॉ करने का. बाकी क्या बनना चाह रहे हैं? इंजीनियर्स या डॉक्टर्स? सो लॉ करना चाह रहे हैं और दोनों भी वो भी लड़की हैं लॉ करना. इट इज़ वेरी गुड. सो लॉ करने के कई फ़ायदे हैं. पर्पज़ ये है कि आपको इनक्रेज किया जाए कि यू ज्वाइन लॉ इन मैक्सिमम नंबर्स. सो आफ्टर डूइंग योर लॉ you can go in any field. If you are interested in corporate sector, you can easily join the corporate sector and start doing your service in well environment. If you want to do litigation, then again there's several options. You can take corporate sector, civil and criminal, or IPR. IPR is intellectual property right. So again in litigation there is an endless scope. Sky is the limit only. If you are hard worker and honest and do your duty as per law, then the sky is the only limit. You can do wonders in your field. If you want to do the government job, then again you have opportunity to become the state prosecutor. In criminal matter, the state police is dependent by the prosecutors. So they are the government employee. So you can join the state prosecutor role. Then again, every government, in every department, there is a specific department of law department. And this law department is managed by the secretary law. And there are the number of the employees there and they need the law graduate. So again, you can join the government servants by doing the law. Then you can become a judge by appearing in the examination in Delhi. For you have to appear Delhi Judicial Service Examination, which is conducted by the High Court. And then you can again, if you are initially join in litigation, but subsequently you think now you should join service as a judge, then after doing the 7-year practice, you can again join Delhi Higher Judicial Service after 7 years. So you can become directly additional district and session judge. So that means after becoming the additional district session judge, you have the power to award death sentence. And this is the highest trial court in India. Again, there is a opportunity, and you can, after doing practice for decade or 2 decades, you can be designated as a senior advocate. And once you designate a senior advocate, then again you will find a new era of opportunities. Then you have also opportunity to become the High Court judge. आपको मैं एक जस्टिस SH कपाड़िया होते थे. Have you heard about Justice SH Kapadia? Not. He retired as a Chief Justice of India. And you will be surprised, he was peon in the chamber of a advocate. So from the peon, he became the Chief Justice of India just by doing the law. तो आप देखिए कि लॉ में कितनी ताकत हैगी, प्रोवाइडेड कि आप मेहनत से काम करें, कोई मेहनत से काम करे, तो स्काई इज़ द ओनली लिमिट. आफ्टर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया इज द थर्ड पोजीशन इन इंडिया. ही इज अबव द प्राइम मिनिस्टर in protocol. Then there is no retirement age. If you are doing practice, then there is no retirement age. Now I have retired from the service, but I am doing my consultancy, I am doing arbitration, I am doing mediation, I am involved in litigations. So there is no retirement age. You can do charity as well when you are earning the money. Those प्रोफेशन ऐसे हैं जहां आप पैसे के साथ साथ आप चैरिटी कर सकते हो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एक एडवोकेसी, दूसरी मेडिकल प्रोफेशन. इसमें आपका कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट तो कोई है नहीं. अब मेरे से कोई सलाह मांगने आएगा, मैं उसको फ्री में भी दे सकता हूं और पैसे भी लेके दे सकता हूं. तो नीड केस में यू कैन डू चैरिटी एज वेल विदाउट इन्वेस्टिंग एनी मच मनी.